Okay, this is Eric with Bowman Plumbing Services. We're at 3265 Oakdell, and we're currently doing a second video. We're now from the cleanout that's located outside the garage. We're going to go ahead and run our camera through this. First video got us to 113 feet. And now what we're going to do is continue the inspection beyond that point and start to inspect the underground sewer line that exits out towards the city main. There is one more clean out down the hill that we may need to use due to the length, so there is a potential for a third video inspection. The material that we see here is a cast iron pipe. Cast iron pipes do typically last about 75 to 90 years, again depending on the usage and the material structure. At this point in time, this material does look to be normal with its average wear and corrosive buildup. Nothing too extreme up to this point. Cast iron pipe does tend to get failures or certain things happening in portions. Looks like we do have somewhat of a clog here. See if I can push through this. Okay. Do have some small root intrusions here that are blocking the sewer line at this point in time at the 49-foot mark. That buildup is and root intrusion is an indicator that the pipe is damaged. What we do see on the video here, if you look at about 9 p.m., there's a little buildup and kind of almost looks like a crack in the pipe where the pipe is basically deteriorated and worn at the bottom at about 9 p.m. So in this section, we are seeing a little more corrosive wear and buildup. We'll continue the inspection beyond this point. Those roots will need to be removed and cut out with a jetting machine or a manual machine that can use a camera. That way we can assess the actual entry point of the roots. At this point in time, we'll continue the inspection down. Okay, there's our turn and transition. This is the point where we entered with the other camera. Again, 81 feet down the hill somewhat. We are now observing a portion that we saw with the video number 1. And we'll continue as far as we can go at this point in time with this camera and then move to the additional clean out that is down the hill in the driveway. Alright, looks like we've come up to that next clean out access and entry point here. You can see that turn. This 113 foot mark is about as far as I can run this camera from this point. We're going to go ahead and put the camera in the third clean out and we'll do video number 3 from there.